Match the shapes. Triangle. You see a triangle up there in the picture? Click and hold it. Click it. Hold it down. Go up, 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 up. There you go. Good job.
You are doing it, girl. You can see that concentration in your face. I'm doing it, Mommy.
What's the next one? Diamond. Where you see a diamond in the picture? Good job. See a cone in the picture?
A cone?
Yeah. A cone. That birthday hat looks like a cone. Try it again. Good job. What about the rectangle? Down at the bottom, the rectangle. Yeah. Yeah. That sign, the rectangle. You gotta click it. There you go. Slow. Try it again. Click. You gotta get on the picture and click it. Slow.